Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to give you a full tutorial to publish your WordPress website using KadenceWP. First things first, click the link in the description box to access the platforms. So let's jump right in. First of all, open your WordPress website. It's best to start with a blank WordPress site. It is not recommended installing a starter template on a site that already has content because it will override your customizer settings. To begin, head over to the Appearance section in WordPress and then Themes. Click on Add New and search for the Kadence theme. Install it, and once installed, activate it. This sets Kadence as your default theme. But the real magic unfolds when we explore Kadence starter templates. Navigate to Appearance, then Kadence, and click on Starter Templates. Here, you'll find a range of templates to choose from. You can preview each one, exploring the included pages and content. You can also filter free templates from the pro ones. All the images are royalty-free, so feel free to use them or swap them out with your own. Now I choose this Yosemite template. Clicking on it loads it into the customizer. From here, you can tweak colors, fonts, and more to match your vision. And if you ever want to revert to the original settings, just hit Clear. We'll also list any required plugins. Once everything looks just right, hit Full Site. You'll need to subscribe and accept the privacy policy. Once installed, you'll see your fully customized site. Explore the pages, admire your colors and fonts, and remember, all the images are yours to use freely. And that's it. Getting started with a Kadence is truly that easy. Click the link in the description box to try KadenceWP for free. Thank you for watching.